Hi, Tony Fennell, your Sprinter guy here at Scarborough, Maine. Prime Motor Cars in Scarborough, Maine. My cell is 978-764-1232. Want to show you this white, beautiful M2CA4X Mercedes-Benz 2500 cargo van, four-wheel drive. It's a 2020, low roof, white. It's got the chrome grille, the chrome emblem, very well equipped. The alloy wheels with Kumo all-season tires. You can see it's up in the air a little bit because of the four-wheel drive. It has a step bumper in the back. I see the Parktronic sensors. The doors open 270, just about kiss the quarter panels. This step is great for getting in, especially four-wheel drive. Hardboard siding, wooden floor, 6 D-rings. This has a beautiful infotainment system. You'll see that a little closer in a second. We'll get the side door open. That side door opens right up like that. Mercedes-Benz. The black leatherette interior, you can see it's very well equipped. Power seats, memory, seat heaters, black leatherette, and that large 10 1/4 MBUX touchscreen in the middle of the dash. You can talk to it, you can touch it. There's a mouse on the steering wheel. The overhead storage, the grab handles for four-wheel drive to get in. Tony Fennell, your Mercedes Sprinter guy. 978-764-1232 right here in Scarborough, Maine. Please give me a call. I'll go over all the details in person with you. Have a great day.